So guys, we're gonna see once and for all if whose food is the best today.
Whose curry is the best?
Whose curry is the best? You have to try the double.
So we have to try the double today.
The half.
So guys, this is the first time trying
SING''SROTI.
Jamaicans are gonna try Trinidadian food for the first time and rate it. Right? I know that it should taste good. Obviously Trinidad provide the good food like Jamaica, right? So let's see. Guys, we always heard that Trinidad has the best food, so I wanted to check that out for myself. So we decided to visit SING''SROTI shop to get some authentic Trinidadian roti as well as some curry. Guys, these are the options. I'm seeing bus up shot, doubles, burgers, fried fish. Little Yes, Carol, all different flags are in here, including the Jamaican.
It's like some curry chicken or some curry goat or fried chicken.
All those things there are curry, like the goat, the beef, they have shrimp, we have conch, so it all depends on what you feel like it.
Is the goat much different from like Jamaican curry goats? Or similar?
It's similar.
It's very similar?
Yeah. Non-seafood will be anything above the shrimp. Depends on if you want meat or if you want veggie or what.
What's the size? Dal pori skin and paratha. Those are like what? Roti? The dal pori skin and paratha.
Yeah, with the rice there, yeah.
Oh, dal and
Dollar rice, and you could add the other things below.
I want to taste the roti definitely. So I want something rich roti.
Yeah, it doesn't matter which one you want.
Yeah, alright. I'm going to stick with the curry goat.
yeah.
The dal curry is a roti that has a filling of yellow split peas, whereas the butter shot is just a plain sauce.
Oh,
Oh.
the butter shot I plain one.
Okay.
That's the one when you finish cooking it. That's the one that they beat together. You know the one that's broken up. That's it.
Oh, it's broken up. It's not one whole.
The plain one.
yeah.
It's like when they finish, you beat it.
Yeah,
It's flaky.
Restaurant and where they can find you and some of the best food that you guys have.
Okay, well, we're located on Shedden Road. It's a Trini restaurant, Trini cuisine. We have curry, roti, rice. We have curries like goat, beef, shrimp. We have the veg. But our main selling snack is the doubles, which is known in Trinidad. The most famous snack is doubles. You have to try the doubles.
So we have to try the double fillet.
You have to try it. Also, we do it with meat.
Okay. So that's the most. So we need to take the double.
The doubles.
And I want my curry goat.
Yes, the goat. Try the goat with the plain one.
With the plain?
The plain one.
The bus option.
Okay, alright.
And I recommend you get the curry on the side and try like one roti each, so you know the difference.
So what is fried aloo and saltfish?
These here are like pre-order dishes. When you order them, we cook it. Like the fried aloo, it's fried potato.
Oh.
Like in choke is eggplant. It's like you roast it, you mash it up and add your seasoning and have it with roti. You know what's the meal? Tomato and saltfish, smoked herring, fried aloo, fried potato and saltfish.
For me, the curry goat we used to open that side and the two something here. That one.
Go to something
Different
there.
rotis.
Right.
Yeah.
But I wanted the what do you call it?
Why?
The first one she had said, man, something like fried dumpling.
She must have not
The doubles.
Doubles.
doubles. Seriously, like that fried dumpling.
So I want the doubles. I want the goat over that side. And I want the roti something. Yes.
So
Yes,
you don't
please.
want a plain white rice.
I think
It's,
she.
you're gonna have 2 roti and that's a good meal.
Oh, that's a good. Okay. You know, live.
Alright, so the goat was up shot and the 2 roti plus the doubles.
So you're having it here.
Um,
Or
We
to
can try. Alright, take out
so
then.
take out
And
what
we'll
I
split. Alright, babe, help me choose my meal now. I always choose shrimp. How much shrimp me get if me choose shrimp? But greedy, so we need to know. About 6, a lot of restaurants usually serve
Alright,
like
if
6
you
big
buy
shrimp,
like
etc.
a shrimp roti, you get 11 shrimp.
11. Oh, so it's like the roti with the shrimps in there.
Yeah.
Oh.
And you get some curry potato with it.
Ew, that sounds fun. But well, then it is nice to try one different thing. The flour? Yeah, they said that he likes the flour. So guys, we're gonna see once and for all if whose food is the best today.
Whose curry is the best?
Whose curry is the best? Jamaicans always said about the best curry, but I would think that probably Trinidad should have the best curry because they are more closely aligned with the Indian heritage. Although we're out of 91 people, they are more closely aligned. So let's see.
Let's see. Potato as well.
Just dip it in.
Just the pit.
Yeah, that's a potato, that's a shrimp. Look, we have pepper, tamarind, and this is pepper. So that's a bit.
What is it? The potato tastes nice, but no wonder.
Oh, don't like. Well, the gravy, I've given many so far.
It's sauce tastes nice and peppery. And this tastes good too. It's really spicy though. Sorry, you trying it?
So you want to get a plain roti too? So I told her to cut the burger into it.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, actually, what? I decided we'll fit it.
Look at. How much time?
You plain roti. You actually are plain roti.
Oh, because I told him to call me guys, you know. Well, yes, we are with that one.
It's heavy bad, you know. So we got a plain roti. Yeah, baby. How it tastes, babe? Tell the people then.
It tastes good, man. Carol, how it tastes good? You said throw it back. You like that now? You want this one?
Wait.
I want you to.
Okay.
Next time.
You like that?
That's no carrot. Yeah. That's fine.
The roti tastes really good here. Whenever I eat a roti with sesame. Don't? I think this is different. Here. This roti is extra soft. I mean, I think me ever eat a roti with some extra soft.
Now, good for our price, that's not for Do you have like any plastic fork?
Plastic fork?
At first, maybe the roti is nice and soft. The roti when we used to more crispy and don't?
Yeah.
This more foody, like floury. Don't?
Wait.
So yes guys, the dal curry tastes really good. Butter shot, good 10 out of 10. The shrimp tastes well seasoned, well made. Tell you guys how the curry goat tastes. It tastes like goat. Yeah. And it tastes like and it tastes like it won't be a bad in the supermarket. It actually tastes like goat. And my first bite are you? It tastes good. Don't? But one thing is not as soft as what you would usually make it.
Smell like butter.
So it tastes like real good, guys.
Smell right.
But the only thing is not as soft as what we would have made it. Don't you? Like fall off the bone. But it was spicy and nice, man. Safe to say that we'll do that, right, babe?
Definitely.
Can probably try the curry chicken and this next time. Don't? But the curry goat tastes like goat, like not much. Tastes like goat. It's very spicy. Nice. The only thing I can say is that you could have probably pressure a little tips more, but it tastes good.
This is doubles. Let me see.
Looks nice.
It's hot though. Wait, cool a little bit.
Am I bite it?
You can't wait, no?
No. I'm not you, right? I'm me.
Lago! You remember the sofa guys that we brought
They're
a
full
couple
with
years ago?
chickpeas here.
Oh.
But I can't just sit
What
for my
was it
throat.
again?
Sit and let me know how you feel.
Hot man.
Yeah. Probably because I can't get no pies chickpeas. It's just chickpeas with the, like the roti. But you
It's
think?
my favorite.
Yeah, and that's my favorite.
But the sweetest chickpeas. Like or something.
Guys, the doubles was not our favorite. I think it was because of the chickpea filling. I think that probably if we had tried it with curry goat or curry chicken, that we would have liked it better. I think it was just a matter of the savory taste. Probably best fitting for breakfast with the chickpea.
Like you could eat the dog curry with the tamarind sauce. You ever had it? Try it like that. People eat it with the sauce.
Yeah, I think we try the tamarind sauce.
This one is the tamarind.
Yeah.
Just
that's
try
very
the dog
good.
curry with it. It's a nice taste.
Let me just put
Try it and taste.
It's very nice.
Back home, we would eat this with the mango sauce. And then Guyana, like the dal curry, you make something like fish cake. You know what's fish cake?
No,
It's like cassava. Cassava, mixed with the fish fried. You roll it in the dal curry with the sauce. Just bite.
but the food is very good.
Like it like that? Tastes good with the like a snack.
tastes good.
We will definitely return.
Kids. So yes guys, I have a little lawn area where they can eat. Okay, so nice Leo. Don't. See there guys?
SING'SROTI.
Sheridan Road. Guys, me always, until we pay the monies, Leo. I thought it was a Trinidadian restaurant because me Google Trinidadian food in Cayman.
But it's a local and tradition, so I guess you're good.
Oh, see, but it's a local and Trinidad dishes, but they're Guyanese doing Trinidad dishes. Leo?
I mean, I guess it's just almost the same thing.
Yeah, I basically the same food, no? So,
Look, come, Carol, let's have a go.
yes, guys, it's a local and Trinidad dishes, so we weren't wrong. So, guys, I'm officially a part of the gym. So, I'll be starting my first workout tomorrow. Yes, guys, so it's my first day at the gym. So come along with us. It's King's Sports Center. Kara used to do karate here once upon a time as well, and 5 years back I was a member of King's Gym, and again, so come along with me guys. So guys, may I try this machine? You know, you have to jiggle them in between your legs. Yeah. I'm gonna try this machine to work on inner side. Make everything 10 minutes. I think I run for 15 minutes and I then work up my legs for 10. So it seems like it's a leg day. I'm doing 70 pounds, guys. So I'm gonna go, can't walk tomorrow. So I'm gonna take it easy. Yeah? Guys, may I read the machine them and see how it's turn about. Because I don't remember how to use this machine. Okay, let's see. So miss some bottom of steel. Okay, 37 minutes. I missed this.